Doug is a bright and curious student who loves using his laptop to learn and explore new things. But what Doug doesn't realize is that using public Wi-Fi can come with some serious risks. Hackers can easily intercept data transmitted over public Wi-Fi networks and use it for malicious purposes. Doug may not know it, but his personal and sensitive information could be at risk. So, what can Doug do to protect himself while using public Wi-Fi? First, he should make sure that his laptop's firewall and antivirus software are up to date. Next, Doug should never access sensitive information while using public Wi-Fi. Instead, he should wait until he's on a secure network, like his home Wi-Fi, to access sensitive information. Doug can use a virtual private network, a VPN, to encrypt his data and to protect his online activity. By taking these simple steps, Doug can enjoy the convenience of public Wi-Fi without compromising his privacy and security. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to using public Wi-Fi. Stay vigilant and protect yourself online.